everyone, welcome to Lotus YouTube channel. This is Alisha and today in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can use micellar water in 5 different ways. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can clean your makeup brush with micellar water. All you need to do is add some micellar water on your makeup brush. Take a tissue paper and move it in a circular motion. You can see all the makeup will come on the tissue paper and your brush will get clean. You can also clean makeup stain from your clothes with micellar water. For that, all you need is a cotton pad and micellar water. Add some micellar water on the cotton pad and you can clean the makeup stain from your clothes like this. You can apply colored eyeliner with micellar water. For that, all you need is a liner brush and micellar water. Add some micellar water on your liner brush. Take any eyeshadow palette or highlighter. I'm using a highlighter and applying the product on the brush. And applying on my eyelid. You can see that nice golden eyeliner. You can also remove your makeup very easily with micellar water. You can use micellar water as a cleanser before makeup. It will remove all the dirt from your face and prep your face for makeup. If you want to see more videos like these, then subscribe the channel and stay updated.